Hello, so we design the system, handle the data, choose a model, and now we are doing great. So uh, don't stress if you run out of time before deploying, but if you get there, that's a really strong signal. So three main deployments patterns you need to have is shadow mode, A/B testing, and blue-green. So we will go through each one. Blue-green is when you have two complete identical production environments and you can switch traffic from one to another instantly. So that will be amazing for fast rollbacks. And the catch, it's incredibly expensive. So you're basically doubling your infrastructure, and that's almost never seen for large scale systems and big tech companies. A/B testing, that will be 99% of the time used, and you roll out your model to a small percentage of a user and compare its performance on key business metrics against your existing system. If you don't have an existing system, you can do a canary release and just roll out it slowly, but make sure nothing is blowing up. Shadow mode, this is when this is your go-to and safety is absolutely top priority. So you get real possession traffic, but its outputs are hidden from the user. So you just log its predictions and compare them to the current system, and it will be super safe as you are validating a new model for something high stakes like fraud detection or maybe some medical diagnosis. What do you monitor? Your model is live, or what are you watching? Two sets of metrics. So offline metrics will be precision, recall, AOC, and these are for you, like ML engineer. And then you have online metrics would be user engagement, revenue, click-through rate, and these ones that are business and your PM actually care about. Yeah. Monitor your distribution. So in a multi-stage system, you have to monitor distributions of the data every single step. So the inputs going to model, the outputs coming out. If your distribution is suddenly changed, uh, you want to have an alert. You have to. You want to be woken up. It means the world has like changed. So model can be blind. So if something is wrong, like input data, uh, that is data engineering problem, but it's your problem too. So if you're an owner of a system, you're responsible for its performance end to end. So that will be like a real world experience and a real operational experience. Retraining, as your model will get stale, you don't need to retrain it. So unless you are some kind of expert, do not bring up online learning. So that will be like complex topic with a follow-up questions that maybe don't want to get involved with. So just stick to periodic batch retraining, and that would be about taking our model to production and beyond. Good luck.